Hello everyone, I'm from group 2. Here, my friend and I will explain reduced clause and inversion. Before that, I will introduce our team member. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Safitri Desniawati and my friend Nur Cahayati, Nanda Aulia Putri, Graciana Kause, Muhammad Aditya Gusmana, and lastly, Ramadan Putra Pratama. Okay, I will introduction, definition, reduced clause, and definition inversion. First, definition reduced clause. A reduced clause is subordinate, typically relative or adjective. Clause that has been shortened by omitting certain element. Relative pronoun be verb, often to make sentence more concise. Distinction between full relative or adjective versus reduced clause. The full clause has relative pronoun plus verb. The reduced drops them or changes form. Next, definition inversion. Inversion are changes in the normal order of subject. Predicate in a sentence, subject after verb or auxiliary. For certain purposes, such as emphasis, style, or after certain word, e.g., never, seldom, only after, not only, hardly, so, and such. Okay, there will be a more detailing discussion about reduced clause and inversion, which will be explained by Nur Cahayati.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Cahayati. I'm from group 2. I want to continue the material regarding reduced adjective clause. Some of the adjective clause, not all, can be reduced to adjective phrase provided that relative pronoun of the adjective clause is the subject of the clause. This can be done by connecting the clause marker and the verb be. The change depends on whether the original sentence is active ing or passive id. The following example to see how the clauses are reduced. Description clause subject plus verb phrase reduction without main verb. Active voice. The girl who is singing has a very good voice. The girl singing has a very good voice. The lecturer explained the lesson that contained grammar. The lecturer explained the lesson containing grammar. Passive voice. The advertisement, which was printed locally, depicted the beauty of the housing estate. The advertisement printed locally depicted the beauty of the housing estate. The allegation that he been posted on the classroom door has raised serious complaint. The regulation post on the classroom door has raised serious complaint. Description clause subject plus verb phrase reduction without main verb. Subject plus to be plus adjective. The boy who is content said that he was going to celebrate his birthday in an orphanage house. The boy content said that he was going to celebrate his birthday in an orphanage house. Subject plus to be plus noun. His name, which is Adam, is easy to pronounce. His name, Adam, is easy to pronounce. Subject plus to be plus prepositional phrase. The bag that is on the chair belongs to Ami. The bag on the chair belongs to Ami.
Salad on. Characteristic check-in form in adjective phrase past permanent characteristic. Clause the house that overlooked the park was mine. Phrase the house overlooking the park was mine. Present permanent characteristic. Clause the house that overlooked the park is mine. the house overlooking the park is mine. Every use to indicates an ongoing activity also takes the ing from. Past continue ongoing activities. Close. The police who was chasing the thief shoot his gun. Phrase. The police chasing the thief is shooting his gun. Present continuous ongoing activities. Close. The police who is chasing the thief has shot his gun. Phrase. The police chasing the thief has shot his gun. Salad 2. Reduce adverb clause S. Adverb clause independent clause or incomplete sentence with a subject and verb which function like adverb. That can be at the beginning of an sentence or at the end. When it is at the beginning, it normally be preceded by comma. Example: even though Tom studied very hard, he failed the exam. Tom failed the exam even though he studied very hard. Salad 3. Adverb clause markers. Some clause markers which are commonly used to introduction adverb are as follow: after, as long as, as long as, before, by the end, no that, once, since, until, when, whenever, while. Example: Samantha will wait until her boss arrives. She waited as long as she could. Okay, the next discussion will be example by Ramadan.
2. Close marker indicating concession. I'll talk, even talk, as much as, except, where is, despite the fact that, in spite of the fact that, while, even if, not had. Example 1. John is very talkative while his brother is quiet. Number 2. She passed the exam even though she didn't study much. Number 3. Reduced noun clause. A reduced noun clause is a shortened form of a noun clause. A clause that functions as a noun, subject, object, or complement, which is changed on an infinitive past love plus verb, or sometimes a gerund ing from, so that the sentence becomes more consistent, but the meaning remains the same. However, not all noun clauses can be reduced. Typical reduction are made if 1. The subject of the clause is the same as the main subject. Number 2. It contains a specific verb that can be shortened. Example of reduced noun clause 1. I believe. For noun clause I believe that this is honesty. Reduced noun clause I believe she is honesty. The word that is deleted, so reduction. Number 2. It is important. Full noun clause. It is important that we attend the meeting. Reduction noun clause. It is important to attend meeting. That well attend is replaced with the infinitive to attend. Reduction. Okay, the next discussion will be explained by Adit.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Aditya Gusmana. I am from Group 2. Okay, I will continue the discussion. Inversion. Subject and verb are inverted to from a question with helping verb. Be, have, and all modally auxiliary verb. Number 1. Inversion with helping verb. Be, have, modal verb. If a sentence already has helping verb, simply reverse the position of the subject and helping verb to form a question. Example 1. You are tried. Are you tried? 2. Your father has gone fishing. Has your father gone fishing? 3. Daniel will come over tonight. Will Daniel come over tonight? 2. Inversion with verb without helping verb, using do, does, and that. If a sentence doesn't have a helping verb, use do, does, and that in front of the subject when making a question. Example number 1. Your teacher appreciates your hard work. Do your teacher appreciate your hard work? 2. Robert usually come home on time. Does Robert usually come home on time? 3. Jeremy visited his grandparents last month. Did Jeremy visit his grandparents last month? 3. Inversion after question word. What, when, where, and why. When making question with question word, do an inversion between the subject and the verb after the question word. Example number 1. What is your favorite color? Number 2. When will you stop shouting? Note: if a question, what is used to combine two clauses, inversion is not performed. Example number 1. I don't know what your favorite color is. Number 2. I don't mind when you will stop shouting.
Inversion wait please word. Here, 3, now here. If a sentence begins with a word that indicates please, do a subject plus form inversion. Explain. 1. Here is the money for the birds. 2. 3 are the books I'm looking for. 3. New here have I met such a neat girl like you. Conclusion. Reduced clauses in inversion are essential tools in English to help simplify complex sentences and make communication clear and more natural. Mastering reduced clauses allows us to shorten sentences with lasting meaning. Will inversion help from questions, emphasis point, or begin sentence with question word and expression of please. By understanding and applying this structure, we can improve both our reading and speaking skill, making our ideal more precise and effective. Thank you for taking the time to watch and listen to our presentation. If there are any words, please forgive me. I am the representative from Group 2 and I will be live. Bye bye everyone.